Hey there, this tow trucker here. Somebody just called this car in to impound. It's sitting on jacks again. The office told us to get this car off the property. What's going on, man? Is that yours?
Yeah.
You better put some wheels on it, man. They calling to tow it.
I'm getting ready to. I just got the part in, so once I dump this trash, I'm coming back and get it.
Yeah. That's the whole thing. The office security officer called us to tow it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm still, my wife was told that he didn't call.
Well,
So,
somebody called, said there was a car with no wheels on it at building 11. This is building 11, man. I didn't just pull up over here and see it.
okay.
I came straight to building 11.
Okay. Yeah, because I just got home from work and got the part in, putting it on and putting the tire on.
Well, if you're gonna put it on right now, you put it on. But if you don't want, I can't leave till the tire's on it. Did you just pull it off a minute ago?
No, it's been sitting there. I had to replace the struts in it, and I told them that the tie rod, the bolt on the tie rod end was stripped. I said, I got the part coming from Rock Auto.
Yeah.
The maintenance guy's like, okay. So then I went and checked the mail yesterday. She's like, well, it's scheduled to be towed. And I'm like, the part's coming in it's supposed to come in yesterday.
Yeah.
He said, if it don't come in today, yesterday, it's coming in today.
Yeah. Man, it's got dirt up under it. It's been sitting there for months, man. That's why they're towing it. Everybody tows these cars when they got dirt and grass growing up underneath them. They tow them, man. But that's up to you. I mean, if you want to just.
Well, he said he was gonna. Well, can you just give him a minute and see what?
That's fine. He's putting a wheel on it. Like you said, the tag.
Yeah.
2 years. Yeah, 2 years. Everybody, that's just what they do. They tow.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. No problem. I think she's gonna not tow it. But she can tow it. I mean, she legally can tow it.
We've already been through this.
If it was me, if I was you, I would definitely try to get the tag fixed, man, by tomorrow.
That's what I'm trying to do.
She's gonna tow it if you don't. I mean, it's a nice little car.
It's actually a piece of shit.
Oh, is it?
We're supposedly part of a class action lawsuit with Ford that because the transmissions in them.
Yeah.
They've already put 3 transmissions in this thing.
Wow.
2012
That's
through 2016, I believe it is.
Yeah.
You've got that double clutch transmission in them.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, appreciate it. All right, tow trucker here, man. We got a car that's been stickered, you know. Looks like this gentleman's trying to keep us from being able to see the tag. We're trying to make it real difficult. Can't see the tag because it's backed up on this wall. This is pretty common. He's got it so tight on the other wall over here, hoping that we can't tow it without tearing it up. But I can tell you this right here, when they put them like this right here, that just causes me to want to tow them more, you know. Anyway, I'll be back to put it on the wheel lift here in a minute. You know, I found that anytime somebody tries that hard to keep you from seeing the tag, it's got a covered up VIN number. They got it blocked. They got it put in a spot where they expecting nobody to tow it out. They're usually pretty pissed off when they come out on you. Just that's the kind of person this leans toward the criminal side when you cover your VIN number up and all that stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna roll out, sign it out, man, at the office. Anyway, I want to explain what happened with this car here. This girl came out and said it was her car, called her mother. Her mother told me to talk to the property manager. I just left the property manager's office a minute ago, and they told me to tow all the cars and ain't fixed. That they gave them from the 6th, which today's the 19th. They gave them, I don't know, roughly 10, 12 days, roughly 2 weeks, basically 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks to tow these cars, and they hadn't moved them. Anyway, that's what happened.
No, we could take debit card. We take debit or cash, either one.
I have a check.
We'll take checks. Let's go over there. Yeah, I'll follow you. This guy's gonna do a payout on his van. He went there and got pissed off with the manager and started getting loud with her. I told him, come out here, man. It's too late to talk to her. It's already been towed. So he came out here and now he's gonna have to pay it out. It's funny, man, these people that get mad and they run into the office and start being mean to the office personnel. It don't work like that, man. That lady in there, she could evict him next month for coming up in there being mean. But it is what it is. We're gonna pay it out. Well, it wasn't too bad. He was pissed off, but you know, he should have fixed that tire. He had 5 days to. He had 5 days to put a plug in that nail hole.